Hey, greetings from Anacortes, Washington, where today it is SeaBear Day. The mayor proclaimed it SeaBear Day 4 years ago on our 60th birthday as a company. And so now every July 29th, we love to celebrate our birthday by doing some fun things with our team and offering something special to you, our customers. This year, we're offering another version of Mike's Smokehouse Dozen, some of my very favorites from around the smokehouse, at an incredible savings of $57 off. And that's in honor, of course, of our founding in the year 1957. Let me show you really quickly what's in this year's collection and tell you why I picked them. So in no particular order, I'll just pull them out. This is our Gerard and Dominique brand European style locks. This is the signature of that brand, has been since 1990. It's served in top restaurants and hotels and country clubs around the country. You can enjoy it at home now. It's wonderful locks. Another from the Gerard and Dominique brand is our smoked sea scallops. These are Alaskan weather vane scallops that have been beautifully smoked in the smokehouse. You can enjoy them right out of the pouch, put them on a salad, put them on pasta. We like to just stick a toothpick in them and enjoy. Ooh, here's one of the new ones. This is our Waterbrook Winemaker's Smoked Salmon, done along with our friends at Waterbrook Winery out in Walla Walla. We baste it with a wine glaze, and then we smoke it using vines from the vineyard, as well as American oak Chardonnay barrel wood. So it's got a real heritage as a wine item, and it's just got this beautiful background flavor that you don't get in our normal smoked salmon. Makes it really special, and it's become a really popular item here since we launched it just a couple of months ago. Oh, speaking of popular items, so over the last year, this has become a huge favorite of our customers. This is the Meris section Golden King crab. The Meris section is that part of the leg that attaches to the body. So it's the top of the leg, the biggest, fattest part of the leg. It's just packed with meat, and the king crab meat is naturally sweet. It's succulent. It's decadent. It's so delicious. You get two of them here, and that's a perfect little appetizer. Enjoy with a nice glass of white wine. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, so we have two different dinner fillets. One, our wild Alaskan halibut, and the other, our wild sockeye salmon. So two wild species of fish that are just fantastic on the plate. Both of them, cook them low and slow so that they keep all the natural juices in it. Don't put a lot of crazy things on top. I recommend just basting them in, or brushing them with olive oil, a little salt and pepper, and maybe some garlic powder. On the halibut, which is a beautifully snowy white, really mild fish, you could even shave some fresh Parmesan on top if you like, or even shave a little bit of pistachio nut on top as well. But keep it basically simple and just enjoy. You'll have a restaurant quality meal at home. Smoked halibut mousse, creamy, indulgent. You can serve it hot, you can serve it cold, you can roll it in a tortilla, serve it with bagels, serve it with croissants, however you like. Absolutely addictive. Speaking of croissants, you get two of our Bake at Home croissants, which are a smokehouse favorite for years and years. Goes great with lox or anything like that, but it also great with a cup of coffee. Put these out overnight, let them rise. They'll triple in size. Then you bake them off. Your whole kitchen will smell like a French bakery. They're buttery, they're flaky, they're absolutely amazing. Here's a really decadent comfort food, our smoked salmon mac and cheese, a beautiful penne pasta with 4 cheeses in the sauce, and then just the right amount of smoked sockeye salmon. Beautiful combination, and just heat and serve. Speaking of comfort foods, you get a pouch of our smoked salmon chowder. Warm the body and soothe the soul, as we like to say. All you have to do is put it in a pan, add a little bit of milk and cream, stir, and you've got a world-class smoked salmon chowder. Very easy. Another new one, our smoked Idaho trout. This is the newest extension in our ready-to-eat line, so these pouches require no refrigeration. You can take them hiking, you can take them camping, boating, you can bring them to the office, you can just keep them in the pantry for when you want a nice meal. And the smoked Idaho trout is mild, incredibly moist, just a nice, soft, subtle smoke on top of it. Really, really popular. It's actually one of our top sellers over the last 2 months since we launched it. And then finally, but certainly, last but not least, this is our smoked sockeye salmon, smoked Alaskan sockeye salmon in the gold seal pouch. So this is what SeaBear was really created on. This is the product that requires no refrigeration. You can send it as a gift. You can keep it in your pantry for when friends come over, or you want to just have a nice little appetizer with your family. Just open the pouch, put it out, maybe with some crackers, sliced fruit, sliced cheese, and you've got the legendary flavor of the Pacific Northwest. So that's the Mike Smokehouse Dozen we're offering in honor of our birthday as a company. Thanks for listening, and happy birthday, SeaBear.